Hello and welcome to our video on 13 herbal teas for healing, recipes and benefits. In this video, we will discuss different herbal teas that can be used for healing, along with their recipes and benefits. 1. Ginger tea. This tea is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can be helpful in reducing nausea and vomiting. To make ginger tea, simply add freshly grated ginger to a cup of hot water and let steep for 5 minutes. 2. Turmeric tea. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and can be helpful in reducing pain and inflammation. To make turmeric tea, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of hot water and let it steep for 5 minutes. 3. Echinacea tea. Echinacea is known for its immune-boosting properties and can be helpful in preventing colds and flu. To make echinacea tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried echinacea herb to a cup of hot water and steep for 5 minutes. 4. Lemon balm tea. Lemon balm is known for its calming properties and can be helpful in reducing anxiety and stress. To make lemon balm tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried lemon balm leaves to a cup of hot water and steep for 5 minutes. 5. Peppermint tea. Peppermint is known for its calming properties and can be helpful in alleviating stomach upsets and relieving headaches. To make peppermint tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves to a cup of hot water and steep for 5 minutes. 6. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is known for its calming properties and can be useful for improving sleep and reducing anxiety. To make chamomile tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile flowers to a cup of hot water and steep for 5 minutes. 7. Rosehip tea. Rosehip tea is known for its high levels of vitamin C and may be helpful for boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation. To make rosehip tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried rosehip to a cup of hot water and let steep for 5 minutes. 8. Dandelion tea. Dandelion is known for its detoxifying properties and can be helpful for improving liver function and promoting healthy digestion. To make dandelion tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion leaves to a cup of hot water and steep for 5 minutes. 9. Basil tea. Holy basil is known for its adaptogenic properties and can be helpful in reducing stress and anxiety. To make holy basil tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried holy basil leaves to a cup of hot water and let steep for 5 minutes. 10. Red clover tea. Red clover is known for its high levels of antioxidants and may be helpful in reducing inflammation and promoting healthy skin. To make red clover tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried red clover flowers to a cup of hot water and steep for 5 minutes. 11. Nettle tea. Nettle is known for its high levels of vitamins and minerals and may be helpful for improving overall health and reducing inflammation. To make nettle tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried nettle leaves to a cup of hot water and let steep for 5 minutes. 12. Milk thistle tea. Milk thistle is known for its liver protective properties and may be helpful for improving liver function and reducing inflammation. To make milk thistle tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried milk thistle seeds to a cup of hot water and steep for 5 minutes. 13. Elderberry tea. Elderberries are known for their ability to relieve cold and flu symptoms. To prepare this tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried elderberries in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes.